Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about multigrain atta. Multigrain atta typically contains a blend of various grains, each contributing a range of nutrients. This can include fiber. Multigrain atta is usually high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy gut, and can assist in managing weight. Protein. Different grains offer various protein profiles, making multigrain atta a good source of plant based proteins essential for muscle repair and overall body functions. Vitamins. The combination of grains can provide a mix of vitamins such as B vitamins, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, and folate, and minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. Minerals. Grains like wheat, oats, and millets offer minerals such as iron, zinc, selenium, and potassium, which are essential for various bodily functions. Healthy fats. Some multigrain atta may include grains like flax seeds or chia seeds, which contribute healthy fats like omega 3 fatty acids. Antioxidants. Certain grains like sorghum and millets contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. If you like the above video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time, thanks for watching.